at those bids on.
Hi everyone, this is part 2 of 3, and this part is called Finding the Nature Trail. If I can remember where it is. I know it was up one of these little side roads. Some lovely houses round here. Yeah. Yeah, here's that park. Yes. Spring Path. I think that is it. Part of it. Yeah, I remember those swings.
What's that wet day? It's raining.
Pardon?
Show people in here.
Yeah,
No to worry.
there might be. Southern Road Recreation Area. That's where we are.
Toilets.
Right.
Where's the toilets? Please.
Where's number 8? Cuttle Brook Nature Reserve. So we are near it.
Yeah, but there's no toilets open. Is there?
Have a look in a minute. Southern Road comes onto Elm Road. Yeah, Dom. It goes round there.
Yeah, but toilets.
Yeah.
If they've got any open. Last time we were up here, there was no toilets open.
This is just a little recreation ground.
Yeah. Find out if they've got these open.
It was over there.
Yeah. It was down there. Yeah, that's the big gap. That's what the table is. They don't look like they're open. They're going to close. Yeah, they're closed. Closed
What?
disabled.
Hmm?
Closed disabled. They're closed disabled. Yeah, they've locked them all up.
Where's the gents meant to be then?
On the other side, I think. I think that might be the fence there. But these disabled. They're closed disabled they've got. That's just supposed to be open. It's supposed to not lock it with a normal lock. It's supposed to lock it with a disabled key. I think it's around here. That locked as well.
What
That
is?
door's locked. That door's locked, so that's locked as well. So how do you go to the toilet round here then?
Don't know.
Get off the car park. There. So take them toilet from up here. So both
Yes.
there, both safe. So take out all the disabled toilets here, and that's nothing to do around here.
No.
So let's go towards the high street then, and go to the toilet.
What and then what?
Try to go to the toilet in the high street first, grab the bits first, and go on the next trail on the end part round.
We're going to find it.
It's down there. But we need to find toilet first. And what's this then, here?
Don't know. That's like part of the recreation ground, isn't it?
They reckon on here, well, that might be the place where they open the toilets.
Don't know.
Look at us.
See where he goes.
It said toilets is for tea.
Yeah.
Parking, keys, toilets, tea. We're here, there's no toilets around here, it said.
No.
But toilets are near. So I think we both should go before we go into the recreation ground. Yeah. Up Mr. High Street.
Yeah. Am I going to make it there though?
What?
Are we going to make it there?
Are you?
I don't think so.
So it's that part. What do we ask this bloke here? I think the toilets are going to be in the high street only. It looks like it on this map. Toilet, parking. I'm near Town Hall today. Yeah, we're on.
I have to take my stick.
I'll have to put the battery in. No, you put the battery with your stick.
Is it recording now?
Yes. Have a look.
Videoing me.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. Well, this is where we. Yeah.
That camera was in your face.
So here we are, going to the Cuttle Brook Nature Reserve. Pardon?
The direction.
We're just walking past the recreation ground now, heading down towards the nature reserve. The entrance is right over in that far corner, and all that over there is part of the reserve. To get to the reserve, you just follow the road round the side of the recreation ground. Morton Lane. Looks like it, doesn't it? I think this is the way we came last time.
Yeah.
Pardon?
Through the actual house. There's left the road there.
Yeah.
We're going into this road here. First road, I think. Yeah, 3 years. Goldfish permitted.
Goldfish prohibited.
Will it get permitted?
No. Was it this road? I can't remember how you get onto the nature reserve, for sure. Then we don't find it. Yeah. Excuse me, how do we get through to the nature reserve, please?
Easy peasy. If you walk down here,
Yep.
now between those two bungalows, there's a gap that they were going to build a road in.
Oh, right.
If you walk through there, it's only a tiny little path.
Yeah.
Come to another little path, turn left, go down the steps. That is the nature reserve.
Oh, right,
And if you
lovely.
keep walking, you'll get out into all the fields.
Oh,
All
right.
the dog walking fields.
Oh, right, lovely.
But that's no problem. You can't
Thank
go wrong.
you. Thanks.
If you wanted the Phoenix Trail, you keep going down there and then throw a left right at the very bottom. You can't miss that either. And that's
All
the
right.
Phoenix Trail that goes along there.
Oh, right, thank you. You said down by the side of these two bungalows. Yeah. Yeah, so we had to be sure where we were going, didn't we, really? Yeah.
Well, there's no
Yeah. So the path down the side of two bungalows.
There's two bungalows. That goes out in the bush.
Here.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's all
Here we
wet.
are, entering the nature reserve.
Maybe should have brought some boots.
a bit squidgy. Let's get onto this main bit of path here, Dom.
It's sliding. I ain't coming in here, I'm just going back out.
This way. This way's better.
That's nature reserve there.
They said to go this way. And down didn't they?
Put shoes on, please.
Walk on the grass, it's less slippy.
If you fall over, you can take it, yeah?
Okay. Well, I'll be able to YouTube it myself, won't I?
It's soggy. That's your good nature reserve.
Yeah. This way.
Oh yeah, there's a bridge.
Hmm?
Bridge all around. Stairs.
Yeah. Get on the mossy side. Okay, take that.
Where dogs will take their dogs, gentlemen said,
Yeah.
in the mud.
A lot of dog walkers come round here.
No.
Pardon me.
Try again.
No, but. Yeah.
So let's have a little trail down then.
You're right. Don't go.
Then we've got to put another recording on for the stage. And then do the actual bodyboard one as well.
So I'm taking my time. Yes, yes.
But with that boat, it's okay. Because then now it's going to be it's muddy.
This is more like an orienteering exercise, really. Do you know what I mean? Careful.
Muddy. Not designing that, please. bridge what we were standing on that day.
Yes.
Hello, puppy.
Peaceful. If we follow the dog walkers, we'll be okay.
Follow dog walkers.
Yes. Pardon? Yep. Yeah, that way does, but that way goes out to the Long Crendon Road. Huh?
Be careful. Where all the dogs get walked.
Yeah. Cross fields and stuff.
Still quite a bit. Just turn around and go back the other way.
I think that's pretty much what they're doing.
If you go in there, it's going to be a long nature foot walk until you get to the other end.
Yep. I just moved my hand away, so I could put one hand in the pocket for a minute. Let's have a look through here first. Let's have a look through these bushes.
Oh look.
We'll go around that way. Give me a sec. Yeah.
Well, no one hasn't built one yet. Tried to.
This is nature at its best, really.
Go back that way then.
Go through that way that they went.
Yeah, but they might know where they're going. We don't.
Well, we'll find out. Field land that is, and stuff. He knows where he's going.
Yeah, but where does that actually lead to up there?
Yeah.
Where does it lead to? Yeah. Not next to the back there. Somebody else that gentleman.
That leads out to a roadside, it looks like.
What's that gentleman? Excuse me, do you know where that leads to?
Yeah, I said we're going up there for about 5 minutes, the Thame Scout Hut.
Alright.
Oh, okay. We know where that is because we've just come past that.
So you just go straight up. Well, it's the first time I'm here too, so I've just
Same here.
and you go round, so up, right. Then you're kind of there. There's the playground there. I think there's a big park.
Okay. That's up to you,
It's a
Julie.
lovely reserve, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the first time we're here, so
I see that.
it's been quite, exactly, very exciting. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. What about that way, Julie, where we just come?
Go this way.
Go this way. Thank you very much. This goes up to the nature Boy Scout thing. Are we famous?
Nearly. You'll be YouTube famous.
Yeah, trying to find our way out. That goes famous. I think we should go back that way, Julie.
Let's go back this way. The guy told us where to go.
Houses.
Told us head straight up there.
I'd say let's go back that way. Let's go back on the road itself. You know, let's go back that way. Look how bad the mud is.
Yeah, we get on the grass. Come on.
Oh yeah, I'd say go back that way.
It's.
Back.
He said it's about 5 minutes across this way or something. Didn't he?
People walking over there.
Where?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Houses over there.
They're coming towards us anyway.
You get a block, right?
It asks us ladies.
That way, then back up. Be careful of the.
Excuse me. Excuse me. How do we get back to the scout hut?
It's come back from that way.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Can't hear you. Too far away. Let's just go back that way. We know how back. Way back, you know. Let's do something around here.
Is that back on that field? Is that back on that field again then?
Yes, that's back in that field.
Oh yeah.
This is where we went onto the thing, so it's best
Yeah.
just go back the same way.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to be lost today.
You never do.
No, you lost your marbles. I think you should go well. Here it is.
So that path we come down.
That one over there we came down.
Yeah. Which way did you say it was back to the scout hut?
So
I think we'll all get lost.
do you know what? So I'm going to head that way now to the car park. So I'm going to go up, round. I think it's kind of over there.
We'll follow you.
Welcome to.
Yeah.
I hope I'll get there in the end.
We hope so.
It's a bit muddy, isn't it?
Whoa.
We should put our boots. But we're all way from South End as well.
So how come you're here?
Just doing some filming off Thame and going to see the Lake Gibbs as well.
Okay.
Do the filming around the graveyard and so forth, but she wanted to go to a nature reserve what's all wet and muddy.
Well, it's a good idea.
It's a nice day out.
Yeah, exactly, yes.
We're here until Monday, so
We'll get rid of the mud on the shoes just by walking it off on the pavement.
yeah,
Exactly. Yes.
once it's all done, you walk it off and that's you done.
Yeah.
But we haven't got boots. I knew it was going to come here today, and we've brought my boots all the way from South. He's got his boat, he's got his...
Got your twig.
Well, he won't give that up for love nor money, but
Oh, can I have it?
good try.
Can I have
So
it?
you're here for Robin Gibb, is that, and that's what you're doing in filming?
That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Filming of the paper. We're doing it on the last day or something.
Okay,
Before we go.
okay.
So we've done all the town centre already with the GoPro, and we've just taken out the camcorder now.
Okay, so let me just get my bearings. Sorry about this. Come here.
Sailor man.
He dropped his twig. That's what he's talking about.
Watch out. I like your jump.
Is that yours? There you go.
So which one? So I go
Sorry, Dom.
Hopefully we'll get back to the car park in time.
Oh right.
Before dinner.
Have you got an appointment?
No, just taking a walk round.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking we might go to the museum next.
Okay.
That's a nice place to just go and for a few hours or so, walk round and have a look. Pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these people coming from that direction as well.
Yeah. So I'm basically I came.
We came in from down there.
Yeah, I think. Okay, so I think I came in from just over there. See where that seat is?
Yeah.
So almost do a loop round,
Yeah.
and it's up the top there somewhere.
Oh yeah, look in the distance. To the trees now.
Yeah. So there's.
So it must be, if you follow this bit, we should be okay. We don't fall over everything, go
Yeah,
the mud.
exactly. Yes. Yeah.
You like the mud, do you, mate?
Yeah.
All the muddy paws.
He's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah,
He's
Gemma
a
would love
bit
him.
of a handful, but.
Gemma did that. Our puppy dog, crossbreed German Shepherd.
Oh wow! That's
Yeah,
not,
it was
that's
Labrador,
yeah.
a Labrador and German Shepherd.
crossbreed. Oh, that's,
Yeah,
that's an ideal dog, isn't
nice
it?
little thing. Yeah, she died back in 2014.
I'm sorry.
Still miss her, but
How old did she get to?
Nearly 9.
9,
Okay.
nearly 9. She had some sort of cancer on her back, legs, and she was keeping having problems with like staying fit. We used to walk her everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, I
Down
would
to
imagine she
Shrewsbury,
would have
down
gone
to
for miles.
everything,
Yeah.
Oh, she did.
So
It's
that's
still
so.
sausage roll here, mate. Nice sausage roll did the job.
I know you think he'd be going for like a 3-course meal the way he's going.
Who's taking who for the walk?
That's a very good question.
There's a lot of dogs as well today, there's a lot of smells.
Yeah.
He's smelling all the smells on the floor, trying to figure out his direction.
So this is all new for us. So that's why.
Same here. It's all new
Along
for
this
us,
path.
mate. It's all new for us.
So from Southend,
Yeah, all the way from South End.
staying in Thame with the friends.
Yeah, we're sailing in the restaurant. Yeah, it's just a nice little working days away from life. We've got a transgender person who won't leave us alone, so
Oh, okay.
she's one
Say
of
no more.
harassing us. She's
Harassing you.
every time. And she's in trouble for it all the time, but she thinks because she's Welsh, she can do what she wants, when she wants, and how she wants.
Right.
One of those, yeah. That's the pond.
No, that's the brook, mate.
That's the book fella. He goes, yeah, I like it. Ah, Gemma did it. I forgot to pickle that.
and then get the door open quick.
But it's water, mate. It's water like that. Yeah.
Yep. I'm just. Yeah.
Following the mark.
Following the dog.
He knows his way, do you, mate? Looks like he does. Hey, have you left the calling card now? Take the calling card now. Go with you. 5 minutes. One still here, one there, one there. Oh, you're not going to book, sir.
He's going. Oh.
Yeah, Joe Shepherd laughed. That sounds like a great.
There's a path there. There's a path there.
Oh, through there. Oh, right.
Yeah.
I didn't see that one, so you can probably go through that. So, well, let's try that one.
Yeah.
Shall I just with this one?
Go with his nose.
He saw it, he turned around, look, didn't he? Went, oh.
I don't know what's through here. Oh, picnic benches.
Picnic benches, so this is the picnic area.
I don't know where you can get through the other side.
No.
See where those people are there?
Yeah.
That's what I think. That's the route that will get you back to
Yeah.
this Thame Scout
We
Hut.
might have to go back that way and back down.
Yeah.
Come on, Come on, pup.
Come on.
We're following you, mate. We're all following you. You can know the way out, mate. You know where the car is.
So you're big Beezy's fan.
Yeah, I like them. Like, I've been a fan for a long time, but my late Monday to listen to them also.
Yeah, okay.
And they've got music, haven't they?
Yep.
Yeah, it's just nice just to get away.
He's even got his alarm tone set to one of their songs.
It wakes you up in the morning, it's freezing, yeah? Oh. But sadly, he died of cancer, really, didn't he? Honestly.
Oh, sorry, yeah. You'll probably know a little bit more than I.
You like the modern music? With basses and drums.
Somewhere in between them.
Yeah. I like the 60s and 70s and 80s.
Great, yeah. Oh, yeah, too.
Yeah. Why not, eh, mate? Nice music.
Across the bridge here.
Ah, there's not people coming from this bit now. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, pup.
Lovely van.
Hang on.
Okay,
Roger.
Yeah.
Go down, sir. We're walking fast as we can. He goes, oh, I'm going in the car now. And, get out the window. Can you head out the window, do you, mate? Then we used to, we've got a convertible, gave this to the car. My mum.
Really?
Yeah, it's got his vehicle done at the moment.
What is it?
A convertible Escort.
Yeah.
Mark 5.
Brilliant.
Yeah, lovely old beast, yeah. And I've got a Mark 3 Fiesta. And I've got a Mark 4 Fiesta as well, which we've got 3 cars. Wow. I don't bother driving up here, we just decided to take to the...
Let the train take the strain.
Yeah. Because I said, I know if I get bad temper with everybody, I'll go back to the car and strangle them. I don't care for them, please. Which way now, sir?
Come on then, back.
To this way?
Yeah.
This way, sir?
Hang
You
on.
know where he was going.
Hold on.
Thame is a nice thing, but Thame is actually a historic town as well.
No, yeah.
Thame is Thame.
Yeah.
Okay, I've always called it Thame Street.
There's also a way you can circle.
One sec.
What was that?
Jen, come on.
Good boy. Grumplamp, morning.
Morning. Lovely morning, isn't it?
So I reckon this bit goes up to the park, then you can almost just double back when you go.
Yeah.
This is actually went back to the backpack.
Yes, so I was going to start this up there.
Nearly there, Janine.
I know.
Fortunately, it's a bit kind of bloody rocky.
What's going on here? Oh no. Hey, you want to come here?
Yeah.
Till Monday.
Till Monday morning, then we'll go back to the train, back up to Southend and go back home. So we go back to the stress again. Because with this person, which won't leave people alone, you won't leave nothing. For being in trouble, they put it off every time, every 2 weeks. I'd be like, you've done all this, but you're supposed to have got the right one. So we're just waiting now for us to get done so we can throw out. Yeah, it's a nice journey because we carry body cameras like with us, so we're used to having cameras on us. Like these sort of body cameras.
Okay.
I think it was like to me saying that my friends in the street was, "Look, my friend got it for nothing." Because she was jealous because I think she's bad to sleep. She's only a friend of mine, so.
Okay. Well,
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming. Well, Dom, if you fall over, at least I'll catch it. It's lovely round here.
There's the car park, Jim. Happy dog, isn't it?
That, guys, is the Cuttle Brook Nature Reserve. And thanks for watching that. I do apologise for my friend rabbiting on about nonsense. I was just more intent on filming the sheer natural beauty and the wildlife that resides in the nature reserve.
Long way, man. Nice way, long way.
It's gorgeous. That's it for all for now, folks. And I'll catch up with you in a bit.